Most people use PDFgear just to edit PDFs, but there's an AI feature hidden inside it that can actually understand your entire document. It's called Chat with PDF, and here's how you can use it. First, open the PDFgear software on your computer. Once it's open, click on the Open File option and select the PDF you want to analyze. You can use a report, research paper, study material, ebook, or basically any PDF you want to understand faster. Give it a few seconds to load the document. Once your PDF is open, look for the Chat Now button and click on it. This will open an AI chat section where you can ask questions specifically about your uploaded PDF. For example, you can ask it to summarize the entire document, find specific information, explain a complicated section, extract important points, or answer questions based only on the content inside the PDF. For this example, I'm simply asking PDFgear to summarize my PDF. After a few seconds, the AI analyzes the document and provides me with a clear summary of the important information. And you don't have to stop at summaries. You can keep asking follow-up questions and use the chat to quickly understand different parts of the document without manually reading every page. This is especially useful for students, researchers, professionals, or anyone who regularly works with long PDFs. So, instead of scrolling through hundreds of pages, just upload your PDF, open Chat Now, ask your question, and let the AI find the information for you.